This video tutorial I will explain how to install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store. Here you can see the steps. We will see how to do that. Click on Start. Search for Microsoft Store. Click on this. Search WhatsApp. Click on Install. Installation is completed. Click on Open. To set up WhatsApp on your computer, here you can see the QR code. This QR code you have to scan using your mobile phone WhatsApp. You have to open WhatsApp on your phone. Their link device option will be there. Using that, you can scan this QR code and set up your WhatsApp in this computer. Open WhatsApp, click on linked devices, click on link a device and scan the QR code, and it is successfully logging in. I have successfully logged into WhatsApp. We will see different options available in WhatsApp. Click on account section, click on chats, video and voice. You can enable microphone and the camera, and click on notification. You can change the notification settings. Click on personalization. You can modify. Click on storage. You can change the settings. Click on shortcuts. Click on help. Click on profile, and here you can see the profile details, and you can log out.